Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore the ENCY Hyper project, where we will use 2 or 4 robots and synchronize their movements. Let's start by creating a project. For this, we need to use the Machine Maker application. Here, we will open the online library of mechanisms. Now, let's add a robot. We will also add a tool for the robot right away. We will add the same tools for all robots. The second robot will be Fanik. And we will also add a tool for it. After we have added, the 2 robots, we will send this cell to ENCY Hyper by clicking the Export button. After exporting the project, we will add an empty object. In which we will add a point like this. This point is needed so we can place the part on it. The next step will be adding the part. We will make a wall from this box, so we can place fictional weld points using this tool. We click Apply and add this wall. The next step will be switching to the Programming tab, where we will add the MoveSync command. This command works in such a way that we need to add the robots we want to synchronize here. Each robot is highlighted in its color to make it easier to understand what we are working with. And to add the movement command, we need to open the editor. Here, by default, we add the move command and use custom position to choose where this robot should go. We will use the frame function, here point, and with this, we will select a convenient position for the robot. This point suits us, so we will save this position and click back. We will edit the movement position for the second robot in the same way, but already in another corner of the wall. Next, we save. We can recalculate and see how the robots will behave and see how they move to the points. We assign to them simultaneously. After this, we also need to set the movement parameters for the tools. For this, we will use the Move External Access command. where we will set the narrowing parameter using this slider. For each tool, depending on the situation, we can choose any position. To avoid collisions, we will choose this point and also select 1 for the second tool. For this, we need to add a second Move External Access command and edit the tool position for the second robot. Let's go to the start, recalculate, and see how the first command. For the tool and the second one are triggered. We can save the project. After this, we will add 2 more robots to this project and check how ENCY handles a more complex task. Next, we will add the second. Robot to this project and check how it handles a more complex task. After this, we will click the Export button in ENCY and send. Our project. Here, we need to go to the Programming tab and In. The MoveSync command add 2 more robots. For them, we will add the Move command. We add the lower point. We can also edit the position of the robot and the tool after we have selected the attachment point. We will save the position. For the last robot, we will also choose a point. We will save. Let's check. After we have prepared the project, we can simulate. We can also add move positions. After our robots complete their task, we can make each robot go to its home position. For this, we will also add the MoveSync command. We will add each robot to the list and edit it. After this, we go to the start, recalculate the project. There may be collisions. We discussed how to avoid these collisions in previous lessons. Thank you all for watching.